the to draft the laws. Lasrera, like I said, is real as Lasrera, like I said, and the law to regulate the agency was prepared. The law to regulate the agency came out in 2015. More women are getting into the engineering, technology, scientific and mathematics courses. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe so that our channel can grow, and please like so that you will help our channel, and please like, and we will appreciate it if you like the video. I usually carry my clients along as the investigation is going on, so they don't just think as the investigation is going on, so they don't shut up now. As the investigation is going on, this is a preliminary video. This is a preliminary video. They are not going to tell you the unpleasant and the uncomfortable side of the stories, and that's what we're going to be discussing today. Welcome to Real Estate with Bimpe, discussing everything real estate. So let's get right into it. This evening, we're going to be talking about how to get into real estate. Does that mean there's no hope for you? There's hope for you. There are ways for you. If you work in an office, also, you look at the capacity of the people around you. You people work together, and you will go there. You make the inquiries, you find out a few things for them, you find out if it's free from government acquisition on their behalf. She begins to take it serious. She begins to hear, she say, okay, let me think about it. You ask her second time, you ask her the second time, you ask her the first time, you ask her the second time. By the third time, when you are going, can I have your number? My Facebook link will be in the comment section, and my Facebook link and my Telegram channel link. You need to oh my God, put your hands together like this. It will be easier for you. You need to know what you are investing in. You need to know what you are buying. Otherwise, you will learn at the The third lesson is that you should to subscribe if you are not subscribed, and to share to your friends and your loved ones. Till I see you again in the next video, remember, I always say that real estate investments remain your investment that you are going to reap is directly relational to people. Do you understand? So your ability to manage them, to deal with them, enables you get the best out of them. Also, why now? These people should stop. Also, if you are going to excel, both minors can understudy. You can work for a real estate firm as an intern while in secondary school, be learning a few things, or after secondary school before higher institution. You can, today is today. You can follow surveyors to sites.